8 habits that quietly make people respect you. Respect is strange. People think it comes from confidence, from speaking loudly, from dominating conversations, from proving you're the smartest person in the room. That's what most people believe. But watch social dynamics closely, and something different happens. The people who get the most respect usually aren't the loudest. They don't interrupt people. They don't try to impress everyone. Sometimes they barely talk at all. Yet when they do speak, people listen. Their opinions carry weight. Their presence changes the tone of the room. Psychologists have studied this for decades, and they found something surprising. Respect rarely comes from dominance. It comes from subtle behaviors that signal something deeper: control, emotional stability, independent thinking. Small habits most people overlook, but once you notice them, you see them everywhere. Here are 8 habits that quietly make people respect you. Habit 1. You don't rush to speak. You're in a meeting. Someone asks a complicated question. The room reacts instantly. People start talking, interrupting, guessing, trying to sound smart, but you don't. You pause. You think for a moment before responding. Some people misinterpret this. They assume you're unsure, maybe slow to react, but the real reason is different. Psychologists who study conversational behavior found something interesting. People who pause before speaking are perceived as more competent and thoughtful. Here's why. Most people react to situations. Their brain processes the problem while they're already talking. But when someone pauses first, it signals something else. Their brain is evaluating the situation before responding. That pause communicates mental control. And control is one of the strongest signals of status in human social groups. Habit 2. You admit when you don't know something. Someone asks you a question. You don't know the answer. Most people handle this moment the same way. They guess. They give vague explanations. They try to sound confident. Admitting ignorance feels risky. People assume it lowers their status. But psychologists studying intellectual humility discovered something surprising. People who comfortably say "I don't know" are often perceived as more intelligent and more trustworthy. But the real reason is deeper. Confidence isn't pretending to know everything. Confidence is being comfortable not knowing everything. When someone calmly admits uncertainty, it signals psychological security. Their identity isn't threatened by gaps in knowledge, and that level of stability builds trust. In workplaces especially, this creates a hidden advantage. People trust information more when it comes from someone who clearly isn't afraid of being wrong. Ironically, admitting uncertainty often makes someone sound more credible. Habit 3. You stay calm when things go wrong. Something goes wrong at work. A project fails. A deadline slips. The room becomes tense. Most people react emotionally. Voices rise. Blame spreads. Defensiveness appears. But occasionally, there's someone who reacts differently. They stay calm. They analyze the situation instead of escalating it. At first, this can look like emotional distance, but psychologists see it differently. They call it emotional regulation. Studies show people who stay calm during stressful situations are automatically perceived as higher status within groups. Here's why. In uncertain moments, human brains search the environment for stability. Who's panicking? Who's losing control? Who's calm? The calm person becomes the reference point, not because they demanded authority, but because their behavior signals control under pressure, and humans instinctively respect that. Habit 4. You actually listen. Most conversations aren't really conversations. They're performances. 2 people waiting for their turn to speak, interrupting, half listening, thinking about what they'll say next. But occasionally, you meet someone who behaves differently. They listen. They ask follow-up questions. They remember details. They respond directly to what you said. It feels rare, because it is. Psychologists studying social interaction found that feeling understood activates reward centers in the brain. When someone feels heard, the brain releases dopamine and oxytocin. The interaction literally feels good. Most people try to impress others by talking, but the people who earn the most respect often do something simpler. They make other people feel understood, and that psychological experience builds strong trust. Habit 5. You don't try too hard to impress people. Some people constantly advertise themselves. They mention achievements. They highlight their expertise. They subtly prove their competence in every conversation. It's understandable. Humans want recognition. But interestingly, people who earn the most respect often behave differently. They don't try very hard to impress anyone. They speak normally. Not because they demand attention, but because they don't need it. And that quiet confidence earns respect. Habit 6. You don't react to everything. Someone makes a sarcastic remark. Someone challenges your opinion. Someone tries to provoke you. Most people react instantly. They defend themselves. They argue. They escalate the situation. But occasionally, someone responds differently. They don't react. They acknowledge the comment or ignore it entirely. At first, this can look passive, but socially, it sends a different signal. Psychologists studying social status found that high-status individuals react less to small provocations. Here's why. When someone constantly defends themselves, it signals insecurity. But when someone stays calm and doesn't engage with every challenge, it signals confidence. They don't feel threatened. Most people miss this. Reaction invites conflict, but controlled non-reaction signals status stability, and people instinctively respect that. Habit 7. You do what you say. Someone promises to send a file later. They forget. Someone says they'll arrive at 2 p.m. They arrive at 2:30. These things happen constantly. Small broken promises. But occasionally, you meet someone different. If they say they'll do something, they do it. No reminders, no excuses. It sounds simple. But psychologists studying trust discovered something important. Humans unconsciously track consistency patterns. Every time someone keeps their word, the brain strengthens a mental model. This person is reliable. Habit 8. You disagree calmly. Someone shares an opinion. Most people react in one of two ways. They immediately agree to avoid conflict, or they argue emotionally. But occasionally, someone responds differently. They say something like, "That's interesting, I see it a little differently." No tension, no aggression, just a different perspective. Psychologists call this intellectual independence, the ability to disagree without emotional attachment. Most people attach their ego to their opinions, so disagreement feels personal. But when someone calmly presents a different idea, it signals something rare. They evaluate ideas objectively. They're not defending identity. And people instinctively respect those who think independently. What's interesting about these habits is how quiet they are. So now the interesting question is this. Which of these habits feels most like you? The silence, the calmness, the habit of questioning things. Drop it in the comments. And if you enjoy exploring the hidden psychology behind everyday behaviors, subscribe for the next video. Because sometimes, the behavior you thought was just part of your personality might actually be the reason people respect you more than you realize.